Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how you can create your own website with Wix.com. It's very easy and simple. You can just create your website in 5 to 10 minutes. So let's begin creating our website. First of all, it shows what kind of website are you creating. It offers us an example which you can choose, like if you want to create an online store you can go for it, like portfolio, blog, consultant, technology company. So for this purpose, let's begin with creating an online store. And here you can see it shows further categories which you can choose for. So let's suppose we want to create an online clothing store. Click next. Here you have two options to choose how you want to create your website. First one is let Wix ADI create a website for you. Answer a few simple questions and automatically get a website designed just for you in a minute. It's quick and easy process where AI develop a website for you and decide how website gonna look like. So if you don't have a time to create a website, then you can just simply click on start now and get your website ready in just about 1 or 2 minutes. And second one is create your website with the editor. Start with the template, make it your own with easy drag and drop and thousands of design features. In this option, you can choose a template, like what kind of template you want for your website, and you can completely redesign your website. You can change the text size, you can change the heading, you can change the images. So for now, click on this one, second one, edit a template, and let's see how it's gonna look like. So as you can see, we have a lot of design templates which you can choose. We have, like, as you can see, business and services, like store, creative, community, blog. Like we were creating a clothing store, so as you can see, it automatically selected fashion and clothing category. So we can choose one of these. So let's begin with this one, Happy Kit. Click on view and it shows a short preview of website, but I'm gonna click on view full demo. So the website template is loaded. So you can see if you use this template, your website gonna exactly look like this one, and you can change, like if you don't want this text fonts, you can simply change it. So if you want to see the mobile view of the website, you can simply click here, and as you can see, it completely loaded in the mobile view. So you can check how it's gonna look like on mobile device. Let's simply see if there is any problem. You can choose another template. So like if we want to choose this one, click on view full demo, and as you can see, you can completely redesign this template as you want. So click on edit this site to use this template. So here is a editor. You can simply change anything you want. Here you can like scroll down and see what kind of changes you want. So you can simply click on this and drag it where you want. Like now, click on here, where you can simply double click and edit whatever you want. Click on demo content. Just like this, you can simply change the design, and as you can see here, you can completely redesign how you want. It's that easy. You can simply change the background, what kind of background you want. For this case, click on this one and it will be there at the back. If you don't want any background, you can simply remove the background. Prior to the changes, you can simply pick a color and here you go. So that's how you can create your website. It's very easy, and you can pick any kind of template and redesign it to your needs. And for at the last, you can simply click on publish and you are good to go. And if you want to show the mobile view, you can switch to mobile, introduce site for the mobile, and you can completely see how it's gonna look like on the mobile device. And you can edit it for the mobile and click on this one. You can hide element, header or etc. You can simply click back to the desktop and completely redesign the template. If you want to change the image, click on this and media from Wix, and as you can see there are a lot of free images that you can choose. Click on here, smiling girl, choose image, and it is here. You can completely redesign as you want. So you can try other options like this one. Click on design, and as you can see it offers as you can see if we can just add a frame which we want, customize the design, click on borders. You can just change the border, change the opacity, how this image gonna look like. You can just add a shadow, just everything. So click on this one right here and add a text, and as you can see you can change the heading size. You can just completely redesign it as you want. You can change the font, click on this. You can make it as you want. So that's all. You can explore the options like this one, switch to the full width, show on all pages. You can completely, if you want to delete an element, for example I didn't like this one right here, so you can completely remove it. Get on the list, remove it. You can drag and drop for the whole like this right here. You can simply make it as you want. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.